Hi everyone. Today we'll be doing a revision of all the functions in list, just so that you don't forget. Let's get started. Over here you can see another program. At the top as usual is what we're going to learn today, then the rules, and lastly the program. Today we'll be doing a revision of all the functions in list. So the functions are append, clear, copy, count, extend, insert, index, pop, remove, reverse, and sort. Then I've also defined a list called A and set it for numbers 1 to 5. Let's start with append. So over here I've written, it's a really small program, but I've written a.append 6 and then I'm printing A. So basically when I run this, it's saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, although 6 obviously is not in this list. But it's coming into this because I've used the append function. Then we have clear function. So if I just comment this and uncomment, uncomment these guys. Sorry about that. Right, so uncomment these two. So over here I've done a.clear and then I'm printing A so you can see the difference. So over here I've got numbers 1 to 5 and over here I've got empty brackets because I use the clear function to clear everything in the list. Then we have the copy function. So I'll just comment this and comment this. Then I'll uncomment this print statement and this print statement. Right. So then B is equal to a.copy. So I am copying everything in list A to list B. When I run this, it's saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top is list B and then the one below it is list A. So it's just so that you can see that the copy function just copied everything from list A into list B. Now after the copy function we've got the count function. So when I comment this and comment this and this, then I can uncomment this. Right. So I'm doing print a.count 5. So I'm counting the number of times I've written 5 in list A. So when I run this, it's saying ones because I've written 5 only one time here. But if you still don't get what count does, then I can do, let's say, I can say 5 a few more times. Oops. Sorry about that. Oops. This right. So yeah, where I've got 5 like 4 times when I run this. It's saying 4. So basically it's the count function just counts the number of times I've written something in a list. After count function I've got extend. So I'll just comment this. So we've got extend function. So right, and you can see that I still an error on B because so I can just get rid of that. Okay, so it's throwing some sort of error, but no. Okay, it's okay. So over here I'm using the extend function. So I'm extending A with the list B. So it's saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. So that's what the extend function does. It just extends a list with another list. So after the extend function, we've got insert function. So if I just comment this and comment this and this guy, right. Then I've got insert function, so I can just uncomment this and this. So a.insert 2, 4. So I'm basically inserting the number 4 into position 2 of the list A. So when I run this, it's saying 1, 2, 4. So instead of 3, it's saying 4 because like that's position 2. So 0, 1, 2. And I set that to put number 4 over there. So it's saying number 4. Now that's what the insert function does. After insert, we've got index. So I can just comment this and comment this. Then I can comment that. Right. So I'm saying print a.index3. So when I run this, it's saying 2. That's because over here I'm checking which position I put 3 in, and if you're getting confused, I've already commented insert, so it's not taken from that. So over here 3 comes in position 2. So that's what index does. And then after index function, we've got pop. So I'll comment this print statement and uncomment this and this. So a.pop2 and then print a. So when I run this, it's saying 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. And that's because I'm popping away what's on position 2. So because number 3 was on position 2, it's popped 3 away. Now after pop, we've got remove. So I can comment this and this, and then I can uncomment this one and this one. So a.remove 4 and then print a. So when I run this, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5. So it basically removed 4 from the list A. That's what remove does. Now after remove, I've got reverse. So if I just, right, and then I can uncomment this and this. So I've got a.reverse and then I'm printing a. So basically, its reverse function just reversed or flipped over everything in list A. So over here, if we compare this, then it's got 5, all the 4 5s on the side. After that, we've got 4 over here, then 3, 2, 1. So that's what the reverse function does. It basically flips the list over, if that's how you want to say it. And lastly, we have got sort function. So over here, if I uncomment this and this, so over here it's saying a.sort and then I'm printing a. So I've already sorted this list because it's all in order, but maybe you'd like to see it a little differently, just so that you can see the difference. So we can say suppose 1, 4, 3, 6, 7, how about 123, then 432. Okay, this is a total random list, what I've written over here. And just so that you can compare, I've done this a.sort so you can see what it does. So over here you can see, to begin with, I've got 1, then 1 is here, then I've got 4, but instead it's placed 3 over here and put 4 over there. Then it's got 6, 7, 123 and 432, and over here I've done the same thing over here, but yeah. So you can see the difference basically. The list is one of the most versatile data types available in Python, which is why we have spent a good number of lessons on it. Hope you feel familiar with it now. Bye!